What's up guys, it's Jordan J5 Live here, and I'm here with Fitzherbert again. Hello there! So as you can see, at the very end of Hastings Tunnel, at St Leonards Warrior Square, is another Class 171 DMU, heading to Ashford. 171801. Now, because it's going to be coming in on platform 3, I'm going to have to move up a bit to allow you to see it departing from the front rather than the back. And it's coming up quite fast at 45 miles an hour. Earlier, I spotted 171201 going in, but I didn't record it, sadly. So, I'm going to quickly move up to let you see it full in the face. There it is. Ah yes, I see it. 171801 to Ashford International via Rye.
Platform 2 for the 13:25 southern service to London Victoria. Calling at St Leonards Warrior Square, Bent Hill, Croydon, Beach, North Bay, Hempstead, Western, Ashford Park, Eastbourne, Broadgate.
Very nice. Yeah, it is. Wait, what's going on with the leakage down here? Well, it's not leaking diesel, that's one good thing. I think we're ready. Are we? A reminder, this is the start of the Marshlink Line. The unelectrified line begins after Orr. Not here. Here we go then. 171801 to Ashford. Yes! That's what we like to see every time we are here. The rarest turbo stars in the county. 171801 to Ashford. And that end's leaking too. What's wrong with these diesel trains? Who knows? So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to the hub for more Class 171 content. And just behind it comes the Class 377. See you guys then. Bye.